Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show step by step how you can easily integrate HubSpot with Google Sheets. So what you want to do, and this is pretty straightforward tutorial, you want to click on a link down below in the description, and when you're going to click on the link you will get right here to make.com. Make.com is an amazing company that's going to help us automate and connect Google Sheets with HubSpot. And now what you want to do, you just easily click here to like when you're going to sign up. So you're going to sign up here and you will get right here to make.com, everything here. So what you want to do is pretty straightforward. You want to go on the top right, create new scenario, and then click plus here. So the first thing that you want to add is a HubSpot. Okay. And then we're going to have, when you're going to have options here, create a record, get a record, delete a record, list a record. So let's say when we're gonna create a record, you would like connect it with your account, and then you would add another module, and that module would be Sheets. And now I can simply find the Google Sheets here, and you can have like add a row, or clear row, or delete, or get a cell. You choose that. So let's say I can add a row. So when there is going to be create a record, we're gonna add a row. And you can always, when you're gonna create a record, you can add a router. But this is pretty much it how we do it. Nothing difficult. You're gonna connect your accounts. I'm not going to do it in this because it's just a tutorial. You're gonna connect your accounts, and then you would see that it work. Now we can always go to templates. So save changes. And I would go to templates, and you can go always like HubSpot, Sheets, or just HubSpot here, Hubspot CRM. And you can have all the templates that you can use for HubSpot. So Microsoft 365 Excel, even with MailChimp. And you're gonna get plenty of ideas what you can do here. So update the record in Hubspot CRM by records from Airtable. So you're gonna have like plenty of templates that you can use that I would recommend to do. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.